dumb or blind, won't sleep in your bed of lies.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Slim Reshae here, aka Jasmine, and I'm back to you with another video. So today I'll be showing you guys how I get this high puff ball, you know, with the little curly cues and the baby hairs. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video and please continue watching. Hey y'all, welcome back. So today we are starting off with my afro. This is like a day 3 or 4 wash and go, and I'm just picking out my hair. You want to pick at the roots and then move toward the ends. Once you hit a kink, you don't want to try to like comb all the way through it. You just want to pick it out and fluff out the roots so you can get all your hair in the top portion of your head. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is a little bit of a different version. This is not the high pineapple because the pineapple is a little bit looser. This is more like a high puff ball. So it's a lot tighter, a lot more compact, and your curls don't really move around that much. But I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Give this video a huge thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you guys hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time that I upload. If you're a new subscriber, hello, welcome to the family. I love you so much. And never forget, at the end of the day, without regrets, love yourself and be you. Simple. Bye guys. Now y'all sat there and let me think I was cute, and I did that whole intro and outro without this earring. I forgot I knocked it out. Anyways, bye guys.